A new supplementary form has been released by HMRC, which needs to be submitted with the CT600 when your client makes a claim for R&D tax relief. Stick around and learn more. Let's go! Welcome to the R&D Tax Show, where we help accountants, tax advisors, and their clients claim R&D tax relief. So what is this new form, CT600L? Well, as of April this year, HMRC require R&D tax claimants to submit a completed supplementary form known as CT600L. The form needs to be completed regardless of the claim being a current year claim or an amended claim. The final version of this form has been issued from the start of this month. So what entries need to be reported on this form? Well, out of the 4 pages of this supplementary form, the first 3 pages relate to the RDEC scheme, which in most cases relates to larger companies. It also covers companies that have subsidies or get sort of grant funding as well. The entries on the final page are for SME R&D claims. So it includes SME claims that are under RDEC too. So I think the best way to learn about this form is to go through it. So as I said, there's 4 pages. This is the first page, and it just covers simple information about the company name, the UTR, the accounting dates. So I'm assuming that will get pulled through from the accounting software. Now, pages 2 and 3 mainly relate to RDEC. So companies claiming under the RDEC scheme. So box L185, when a large company subcontracts work, the work that's subcontracted to the company, that can only be claimed under the RDEC. So that amount is shown here. And as I've mentioned, any work that's been subsidized also falls within RDEC, so that needs to be shown here. And this final section of the form just pulls through the numbers from the earlier boxes. Sorry, I've still got COVID, so I'm still recovering, hence why I'm recording from this room. And that's it. So this form adds a bit more information for HMRC. I think I could have gone into more detail, but obviously they can make changes as time goes on, or next April. But it does really split out where how the RDEC figures are calculated, and how the payable amount at the end is calculated via the RDEC regime. So that's good, because I'm sure there's going to be quite a lot of issues. Well, they've identified quite a lot of issues in people working out the amount of payable RDEC, because it's a bit what's the word? If you know how to calculate it, then it's easy. If you've never done it before, then it can be quite tricky, because you can see there's quite a few steps to go through. So understand why that's going to help HMRC figure out if anything's wrong with the RDEC calculations. From the SME point of view, there's not much there, to be honest. It's not asking for much more information. So we'll see how this goes. But if you found this episode useful, please just share this. If you've got any questions, just get in touch. And I hope to catch you guys soon. Bye. Our channel is the holy grail to gain knowledge on how you can help your clients claim R&D tax relief. We upload a video every Thursday at 10 a.m. These videos can be technical, where we talk about the principles and fundamentals. So grab your notepad and pen. And some are case studies where you can get an idea of real life scenarios whilst enjoying your brew.